In the heart of the SCP Foundation's secret facility, within a chamber shrouded in shadows and silence, stood a sentinel like no other. A formidable, grotesque figure known as SCP-173, encased in a cell of cold, unyielding steel and reinforced glass. This relentless guardian of the unknown held an eerie vigil, its stone form unmoving but ever watchful. As the sun's feeble rays penetrated the underground recesses of the containment facility, the world beyond seemed a distant memory. There, within the confines of its prison, SCP-173 embarked upon yet another day in its interminable existence. It had no name, no voice, no desires, only an inscrutable purpose known to the architects of its captivity. Another day, I thought, the solitary keeper of this peculiar sentinel, and my task remains the same: to watch, to observe, to ensure that it never falters in its immobility. I, a diligent Foundation employee, had been assigned the solemn duty of attending to SCP-173's containment chamber. Armed with the knowledge of its sinister nature, I approached the cell with caution, never daring to break eye contact. It is my obligation, I mused, to maintain a perpetual gaze upon this abomination. To avert my eyes for even an instant would unleash its terrible wrath. The hours crept by, as relentless and unyielding as the Sentinel itself. I, tethered to the unblinking stare, found the minutes weighed heavily upon them. The containment chamber was a place of eerie stillness, save for the soft hum of the facility's machinery. How many hours have I spent in this desolate chamber? I wondered. How many days, months, or years? Time is a fractured concept here, as fractured as the very being I guard. Within the stony visage of SCP-173, there was no trace of emotion, no flicker of consciousness. It remained an enigma, an embodiment of the inexplicable, and I could not help but ponder the nature of its existence. Does it dream? I pondered. Does it yearn for release from its unending confinement? Or does it revel in its isolation, free from the trappings of a sentient mind? My musings continued, punctuated by the quiet rhythm of their breath, their heartbeat an ever-present companion to the Sentinel's vigilant gaze. They knew not the answers to their questions, for the enigma of SCP-173 remained unyielding, its purpose shrouded in the mysteries of the Foundation's research. As twilight descended upon the chamber, casting long, eerie shadows upon the stone form, I could not escape the solitude that enveloped us both. They knew their duty, their unceasing vigil, would extend into the night and beyond. Another day ends, I whispered these words, a mere echo in the chamber's emptiness. The stone sentinel stands unmoving, and I, its sole companion, remain bound by the unbreakable chains of duty. And so, in the solitary chamber of containment, the stone sentinel's solitude endured, a silent witness to the mysteries of the Foundation, its purpose known to none but the architects of its captivity.